Hello, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to generate a full-time passive income selling other people's stuff. Let's say you just joined our team and you want to set up a page like this for your business. It's super simple. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you're on our team, then you can actually give away our course that teaches people how to do exactly what we do while you're building your business. And that's one of the fastest ways to grow your affiliate business. So let's talk about that. So how do you do that? Okay, the way you do that, this right here, when you click set link, it goes to a pop-up. And this goes over to the email form pop-up. Okay? So now the first thing you have to do is you click the home button, and I click over here on pop-ups. And then right over here is the email form pop-up. So I click on edit, and you say, yes, send me over the free course, type your name, type your email, and get free instant access. Okay? So you could use this as a mailing boss form, but an even more powerful thing to do is to actually enroll people directly into your business. And the way to do that is you delete this, and you add what's called a magic form. So I'm adding this magic form over here. And I'm going to go make this a little bit smaller. That's kind of useless information right there. Okay, so send over the free course, your name, your email, and then create a password. All right. And so the magic form, we go into the Funnel Club link generator. This is called the magic funnel. And you just add your user ID. You click ignore errors. If checked, it gives upline access to the user's Cheetah Builder. So you could either check that or uncheck that. I'm going to leave it unchecked for now. I'm going to set the plan over here. And then the URL that I'm going to send people to is going to be a thank you page. Okay, and the thank you page is going to be buildourdreams.com/thank-you. Keep it really simple. And then the opt-in is going to be affiliate.buildourdreams.com. And then you pick which list it goes into. And what I want to do is go grab, as you can see, I have a lot of email lists in here. But I'm going to go and pick my new Builderall signups list because that's where all of my new Builderall signups go. And then they automatically start getting a warm-up sequence which teaches them how to use Builderall for the next 14 days. So that way they're being enrolled. Okay, so then I click get link, and you would do this with your own link. You grab that link and you copy it. Now it's copied to my clipboard. I go back over to here and I click paste, and that's it. Everything's right in there, and I click save, and now my magic form is created. Okay, your name, your email, create a password. Yes, please send over the course, and that automatically will send them into my list. It also will sign them up into my team, right? Now I click that's fine, and I published. So then they click yes, send me free access, and then you get a free course to go with it. So that's the fastest way I know to build your business. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll put some links if you are not yet involved in our team, how you can get access and be part of our team. And I'll see you in the next video.